Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. Today, I have ultimately received the Black Magic Speed Editor here, and I have got to DaVinci Resolve free for whole life, 2 licenses free. It was my dream to buy a Speed Editor and get to license DaVinci Resolve for free. This studio version. No, I will use this DaVinci Resolve's studio version in my laptop and desktop, and I will work in 2 devices. Before this, I was working on in the DaVinci Resolve free version for almost 2 years. After migrating from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve, I learned the software and I started YouTube channel to teach you people this fantastic software. Today, you see, I have got this box just I have received, and I thought I will unpack before you. You can see what I have got inside this package here, dear friends. It's the happiest moment in my life. I never thought that I will get a speed editor. I was collecting money, saving money for almost 2 years in Ukraine after Russian aggression to Ukraine. The situation, economic situation deteriorated. My economic situation became worse. But I tried, and you see my will. If you have willpower, you can do anything. I earn in video editing with free DaVinci Resolve, and then I thought that no, the studio version is worth for me. It will save me a lots of time. There are lots of free ultimate good features, AI features inside the DaVinci Resolve studio version, which will save you a lot of time. That's why you see ultimately I order this and I got this in Ukraine. You see, I'm so happy here. No, I will just unbox here. You see what's inside this here. You see, I have this found. You see, this has given me this certificates for this warranty license. Maybe here from the shop. I bought this from the Blackmagic's vendor, who was the authorized vendor of Blackmagic seller in Kiev. I ordered this in 1 week ago, 10 days ago, and ultimately I got. No, I will. This not so important. No, I will go. Which I was waiting this inside. You see the Blackmagic's here, which was I was waiting, and no, I just unbox in front of you. I never unbox it at all. I just check the post office, but no, I want to. You see, it's very difficult. Oh, it's a heavy. Oh, you see how much it's at. Oh, it's bubble inside. You see, this is a box. In this box, it was. You see, so many bubbles here. I go. Here it's a falling like my happiness is a lot of. You see, this is real happiness for me. For this is speed editor. You see, this is. Oh, ultimately I got. You see, this is the speed editor which I was waiting for. $395, and just some friend helped me, and I earn in the video editing, with freelancing with free DaVinci Resolve. And DaVinci Resolve, Blackmagic company, gave me a chance to buy such a fantastic tool. With this tool, I can work in my timeline and in the cut tab. I have to cut the video editing while editing too much, and I will control all this timeline panel and cut tab in my hand. You need otherwise you have to touch mouse, check always. But so it's the happiest moment in my life. This is actually the Blackmagic's fantastic. You see, speed editor. You see the box here. It's written here. You see, I saw you here in camera. Speed DaVinci Resolve speed editors. You see, Blackmagic company. You see here. It's a written include DaVinci Resolve Studio. Here, dear friends, see in your camera. This is actually the main things. It includes DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor inside. So much happy. Two softwares I got to whole life. Every type of updates I will get free whole life. I will work with, and this is very, very helpful for me. It was my dream to buy this professional tools. This you got a hardware and software in $395. Otherwise, if you don't buy speed editor, you just want to buy this software DaVinci Resolve. It's $295, dear friend. Whole life, it's nothing. It's actually they are giving just like a free. Just you have to one time you have to pay. It's not in Adobe Premiere Pro. I had subscription several times. I couldn't buy subscription because I had no money in time, and for 5 years I worked because a client told no, you have to work in Premiere Pro only. No, the client is allowing me to work in DaVinci Resolve because DaVinci Resolve is becoming popular day by day, and that's why you see ultimately I got this unique piece of software, dear friend. Here you see, I will just unpack here. In the next video I will download a studio version new. I will delete all this DaVinci Resolve free version, and I will newly update all from beginning the studio version. Then I will check and I will update on this channel, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, so because your one subscription motivates me a lot to make more creative video for you. And in the next class we will know how to update this the studio version, and how to use this a fantastic speed editor. It's like keyboard. You can use like cutting the video inside clips, adding video insert, adding transition inside your video, and this fantastic hardware help you a lot, dear friends. You know, that's why you see I'm so much happy, and I think everyone who is a professional editors and earning little money, and they can gather to little money from this family needs, and you can buy this speed editors. It makes work so happy, good, so comfortable, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channels, like, share, and comment me which type of video you need about this speed editor. So I will try to make. I will touch all the points here inside. Why we need to buy this speed editor? Why we need such type of software? This is fantastic. Why I decided to migrate from the Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve, and about this learn 2 years. This DaVinci Resolve worked in there, earned as a freelancer, saved money little by little, and ultimately my dream had come true today. This here with in front of you, as you see, I have ultimately this speed editor, dear friends. So you see.